Alright, we're going to do some examples for drawing electric fields. We'll start with one we already have in our notes, positive and negative. Alright, let's apply our rules. First rule, they always have to leave positives. And you win the negatives. We can look at any point here and say, oh, at this point, what's happening to each one, and slowly follow that curve. That's kind of what we want to look at here. This guy right here. Oh, he's pushed away and pulled towards. He's slightly tilted right here. Pushed away a little bit weaker, but still poured towards a little bit stronger here. And we slowly see this arc. So what we'll see as we slowly do this, these field lines are being pulled away from and pushed in towards the positives and the negatives. You notice they still follow those curves. We're looking for that general idea of it curving around. Think about right here versus, say, right here. Which one has a stronger field? A. A is a stronger field because the lines are closer, are more dense. Alright. Here's an example of how to do this problem incorrectly. I cannot stress this enough. I've seen a lot of these. The idea that we have this wrapping around, there's no change here. This density is the same as this density. It doesn't really work that way. This density is the same as this density. That's not how this happens. Alright, what about this situation? Try this on your own. Okay, hopefully you've tried it. Here's what we should see. Now, what's the problem right now? I have them coming out of positives and negatives, but notice my numbers. I have 3 here, I have 3 here. How many should I have? That's right, 6. So, I'm going to need to show this idea that more of these lines are coming out of the positive than are going into the negative, because we generally show it that way. Anytime I want to add something to the negative, I have to add 2 to the positive. Now, truthfully, I should be spreading these out a little bit more. We still have this idea that, look at this, right here versus right here, because we have these 2 fields working together, it's stronger. A is still stronger, and we can see that via the density. You always want to come to that density argument. Now if I keep going with this and adding more, I have this almost heart shape forming. I do have to show that extra lines. I'm not quite perfect here, but you get the general idea. One thing to keep in mind, field lines can go to infinity. Alright. One more. Let's do 2 positives that are identical. We can think about it here. What's going on right here? It's still moving to the left because this was closer. Still moving to the right. But what about right in the center? There's nothing there. What about right here? This guy's going to win and it's going to move up. So we're going to have this arcing. This arcing. What about right smack dab in the center but above? It's got to be up because this one's off to the side, this one's off to the side, and the horizontals cancel out. So if we have to go through and draw this, start to see this interaction between the two charges. Now we have a symmetry here because they're identical. Alright, I'm going to leave you with one to try on your own, and this is a homework assignment. I would like you to draw for me what would it look like if we had a plus 2, 2, minus 1s. That's your question. Sketch what you have, and then explain why.